Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we will learn about weighted index numbers. Weighted index is an index that can show the importance of things to be measured. Types of index number: Laspeyres price index and Paache price index. Laspeyres quantity index and Paache quantity index. Laspeyres and Paache price index. Laspeyres price index use quantities for base year Q0 as weight. Paache price index use quantities for current year Q1 as weights. For Laspeyres price index, I equal summation Q0 P1 over summation Q0 P0 times 100. Paache price index, I equal summation Q1 P1 over summation Q1 P0 times 100. Laspeyres quantity index. Laspeyres quantity index use prices for base year P0 as weight. I equals summation P0 Q1 over summation P0 Q0 times 100. Paache quantity index use prices for current year P1 as weights. I equals summation P1 Q1 over summation P1 Q0 times 100. Advantage of Laspeyres and Paache index number. Advantage of Laspeyres index number. Summation Q0 P0 does not change as the current year change. Easy and quick to calculate because the denominator form a common platform for comparing other years. Advantage of Paache index number. Provide the latest information since the denominator summation Q1 P0 and summation P0 Q1 change for current year. Disadvantage of Laspeyres and Paache index number. Disadvantage of Laspeyres index number. Do not reflect latest value since summation Q0 P0 does not change. Disadvantage of Paache index number. Summation Q1 P0 and summation P0 Q1. It consumes more time in calculation since summation Q1 P0 and summation P0 Q1 change incurs huge cost for gathering new information. Example: the selling price and quantity for several grocery items are given below. Items A, B, C, D. The price and quantity for 2012 and 2013. Calculate and interpret the Laspeyres price index, the Paache price index, the Laspeyres quantity index, and the Paache quantity index. Type of handphones: iPhone, Samsung, and Huawei. Price and quantity for 2015 and 2016. The Laspeyres price index. I equals summation Q naught P1 over summation Q naught P naught times 100. So index equal 102.31. The Paache price index. I equals summation Q1 P1 over summation Q1 P0 times 100. So the index is 98.17. The Laspeyres quantity index. I equals summation P0 Q1 over summation P0 Q0 times 100. So the index equal 136.79. The Paache quantity index. I equals summation P1 Q1 over summation P1 Q0 times 100. Index equal 131.25. The above table show the prices and quantities three types of handphones sold by a retailer for the year 2015 and 2016. Find using 2015 as the base year, find and interpret. The Laspeyres price index, the Paache price index, the Laspeyres quantity index, the Paache quantity index. The Laspeyres price index. I equal summation Q0 P1 over summation Q0 P0 times 100. So I equal 90.81. The Paache price index. I equals summation Q1 P1 over summation Q1 P0 times 100. So index equals 19.96. The Laspeyres quantity index. I equals summation P0 Q1 over summation P0 Q0 times 100. So I equal 114.36. The Paache quantity index. I equals summation P1 Q1 over summation P1 Q0 times 100. So the index equal 114.56.